Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch strap on your Omega Swatch watch. Today I have a NATO strap right here on the left and two leather watch straps here on the right. So I'm going to show you how to place those onto the watch and also how to put back the original Swatch Omega strap. Now, in order to start working on your Omega Swatch watch, so in order to replace the watch strap, you are going to need a pin remover that has these two teeth on one side and the one on the other side. Now, if you like working on your watches, I would recommend going online and purchasing a basic watchmaker toolkit, since you are going to have all those basic tools in order to start working on your watches, to replace the watch batteries, to adjust the watch straps, and to do a bunch of stuff on your watches. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of these so that you can go and order them. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. Now, since this is a bioceramic watch, so since it will scratch very easily, I would recommend to have a piece of cloth or a bubble wrap, just like I have right here, so that you can place the watch onto the piece of material or bubble wrap, and to make sure that the watch crystal doesn't scratch or other parts of the watch. So we are going to use the pin remover, the part with the two teeth, and what you want to achieve is to go at an angle and go exactly where you have this small metallic part that holds the strap, and here it has a flexible end, and if you apply a little bit of pressure, you will be able to remove it from the holes that are placed inside the lugs. So that is what you want to do onto your Omega Swatch watch. So we are going to go at an angle. Make sure to have the pin where you want to remove it. Apply a little bit of pressure and you will be able to remove the first part of your strap, as you can see right here. Make sure to take your time because this is a very scratchable material, so this bioceramic can be scratched very easily. Now I'm going to do the same on the other end as well. You can see that you can use your left hand in order to apply a little bit of pressure onto the strap, and as you can see, the watch strap creates a little bit of space between it and the lug, and that is where you actually have the pin. And as you can see, this is where I want to go. Apply a little bit of pressure, and as you can see, it is very easy to remove them and not scratch the watch. Once again, make sure to have a pin remover. Take your time, have a little bit of material onto the table so that you do not damage or scratch the watch. Now we have the watch strap removed, and now what you want to do is to push those two pins, so these metallic parts, out so that you can use them onto your leather strap, your rubber strap, or your NATO strap. It doesn't matter. We are going to place the original watch strap right there, since we are going to place it also back onto the watch. Now, if you want to use a NATO strap, what you want to do is to have your watch with the pins right here so that you can place the NATO strap, or if you want to place it onto a leather watch strap, you need to first place the pins inside those small holes so that they can hold the strap. First, we are going to place these pins and show you how to place it onto a NATO strap. So the first thing that you want to do is to place the pin into one hole, and as you can see on the other end, now it is a little bit longer, but as I mentioned, this tip is flexible, so I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure, place it once again in between the two lugs, and now, since it also went inside the second hole, as you can see, it is fixed. So now I have it placed on one end. I'm going to do the same on the other part as well. So once again, first we place it inside the first hole. Make sure to hold it with your two fingers, just like that. Use once again the tip with the two teeth. Apply a little bit of pressure and push it underneath. As you can see now, it is very near the hole. So I'm going to push it a little bit more and adjust it until you hear that click. That means that the watch pin is inside, and now we have the pins in. So now we are going to take the NATO strap and as you can see, we are going to use the long part of it and place it in between the case and the pin that is held between the lugs. So first go through the 12 o'clock with your buckle facing upwards, go a little bit more. Now we are going to place it in between the second one, just like that, and now it is going to go through this loop, so through this metallic part. And now as you can see, we have the watch onto a NATO strap. It looks very, very good, so you can choose a different color, maybe go with black, gray, red, depending on what model you have. And now I'm going to show you how to also place it onto a leather strap. So now guys, let's take this NATO strap off. The same process going backwards. And now in order to place it onto a leather strap or onto a different rubber strap or what kind of strap you might find, as you can see, this one is a little bit too small. So I'm going to place it onto this one, which is from the Hamilton watch, and it is the 20mm one. So you can go and order a NATO strap or a leather strap, a rubber strap that is 20mm in width. So the first thing that we want to do once again is to remove these two pins. Guys, if you found this video useful, please consider hitting the thanks button and supporting our channel. This way we can keep creating free content for watch lovers just like you. Now you are going to see even closer what you have to do. So once again, we are going to go at an angle, apply a little bit of pressure and go towards the other side of the lug so that we can pull one part of the pin out and it goes outside. Now I'm going to do the same onto the other side. So I'm going at an angle, applying a little bit of pressure, and as you can see, there are no scratches onto the watch, so that is a good thing. Now once again, make sure to use this piece of material, cloth, bubble wrap, so that you do not scratch your watch. Now we are going to take these pins and place them inside the new strap that we want to use, just like that. And now the part with the buckle is going to go at 12 o'clock. So I'm going to place that one first. So we are going to apply the same principle. First we are going to place the pin on one side. Then as you can see on this side, the tip is out. Going to apply a little bit of pressure. It goes underneath. And as you can see right now, we have the leather strap onto the watch. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. So place the pin inside, and as you can see, we have the watch onto the leather watch strap right now. So if you want to place it on its original watch strap, you need to take it off once again and place it on the original Omega Swatch strap. Now you can also play with these two parts, since I've seen some people placing this part at 6 o'clock and this one at 12 o'clock, and that way you do not have the extra part facing yourself, but it will be on the other way, and aesthetically some people say that it looks better. So this is how it looks onto a leather strap. I believe it looks quite classy, elegant, maybe even better compared to the original Omega Swatch strap. Let me know guys what you think in the comments below. So once again, the 20mm strap. Now guys, I'm going to also put back the original watch strap facing the other way around. So now we are going to do the same principle, as you can see right here. Once again, a little bit of pressure, the pin will come out. Then using it on the other side as well. And now we are going to take the pins out. Place it once again onto the original strap. And now we are going to place it the other way around. So it usually has the Omega part right here, but I'm going to put it at 12 o'clock. Once again, make sure to take your time, apply a little bit of pressure, push the pin in. you're going to hear that click, and you know that the strap is in. And now we have it on the other side. A small click, and as you can see, we now have the watch strap the other way around. Let's also check it onto the wrist. I believe it looks better this way, so if you want to go with the original strap, I recommend you put it the other way around. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.